Hey there everyone, welcome back to AI for Everyone. I'm Randy and I'm thrilled to have you join me again today. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI history, exploring some of the basic concepts you'll need to know, so grab your imaginary time machine and let's travel back in time. Artificial intelligence has roots dating back to the 1950s. It all began with a group of brilliant minds who had a wild idea: what if machines could think like humans? In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined at a conference at Dartmouth College, where researchers gathered to discuss how to create a machine that could simulate human intelligence. One of the pioneers of AI was Alan Turing, a British mathematician and computer scientist. He developed the Turing test, a way to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to that of a human. Imagine a game of 20 questions, but with a computer trying to convince you it's human. Spoiler alert, they often failed miserably at small talk. Fast forward to the 1980s and 90s. AI saw some ups and downs, often referred to as the AI winter, when funding and interest dipped. But then came the resurgence in the 2000s, advances in computing power, big data, algorithms, and suddenly AI was back on everyone's radar. Now let's talk about types of AI you're likely to encounter. First up is reactive machines, which are the most basic form of AI, like IBM's Deep Blue, which played chess. It could analyze positions, has no memory or ability to learn from its past experiences. Then we have limited memory AI. This type can learn from past data, improve over time. Think of it as your favorite music streaming service that learns your tastes and suggests new songs that you might like. Now let's get into the juicy stuff: large language models, or LLMs. These are types of AI that understand, generate human-like text. They are trained on vast amounts of data to predict what comes next in a sentence, making it incredibly powerful in taking on tasks like writing, translating, and even chatting with you. LLMs are essentially like super smart parrots. They can mimic human speech patterns, even hold conversations, but remember, they don't actually understand the context. They just know how to string words together based on patterns of data they were trained on. Finally, let's touch on chatbots. These are AI programs designed to simulate conversations with human users. They can be simple, like answering frequently asked questions, or complex, like those powered by LLMs capable of having more nuanced conversations. They're everywhere. From customer service to your favorite virtual assistant. So there we have it, a quick tour through the history of AI and an introduction to some of the key concepts. I hope you feel a bit more informed and excited about the journey ahead. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss in future episodes, put them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next episode. or we'll be diving deeper into how LLMs work and explore more AI applications. Until next time, keep the curiosity alive and your questions coming. Tot ziens for now.